Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this natural shampoo with African black soap. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So to get started, I'm going to use my African black soap. I'm going to cut it into cubes. After cutting it, I'll pour it in my jar. And after which I'm adding my boiled water to it. Make sure your hot water is very boiled and is hot so that it will kill any bacteria, any form of bacteria in the soap. So after adding my hot water, I'll allow it sit for some hours so that the soap will dissolve. And after dissolving, I'm going to use my strainer and strain my soap to make sure there's no form of particles in it. And exactly what I'm doing at this point. So after sieving it, I'm going to add my ingredients. For my water, I use 700 ml for my water. And the next thing I'm adding is my glycerin. I added 16 grams of glycerin. And for my guar gum, I use 6 grams of guar gum. Remember, guar gum is a thickener for this soap. And followed by my essential oils, and I'm using my clove oil, 10 drops of cloves, and I also added tea tree oil. Tea tree will serve as an antioxidant to this soap, this shampoo. And the next ingredient is my coconut oil. I added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I also added peppermint oil, 10 drops as well. And also, lastly, I added my preservative. I used liquid Diamond Plus for this shampoo. So guys, after adding all my ingredients, I'm going to mix it together to make sure I combine all the ingredients together. And here is my shampoo. This shampoo is very moisturizing to the hair. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, and use the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.